skills. Oh, I have learned many skills. Okay. I think the most useful skills I have learned is I learned so many frontline work knowledges. I did many shop inspections and field trip, which I can know what a daily life of a worker or employee like. Yeah, so I learned some very useful knowledge.
Yes.
Yeah. What about you?
Well, for my program, actually this semester I took leadership.
Yeah.
So that is one of the most important skills I've learned, because in the program they actually we had to follow a leader. So I learned a lot from that and applied it for me. Yeah.
Oh, that's good. I've learned so many skills so far, and especially I would say leadership and communication skills. I've worked on that in NAIT by meeting like different people from different countries, and I've learned some languages as well. And that was the skills I learned.